Good morning, students. Today we will start exercise 12.2. In 12.2, we have completed till question number 4. So, see question number 5. What is given? What should be taken away from this expression to obtain this expression? What we have to do? Suppose this we are taking one example. What should be taken away from 10 to obtain 5? What we will do? 10 minus 5. We got answer 5. 5 is taken away from 10 to obtain 5. Like that, we will subtract the second expression from first expression. So, this expression minus second. And now 3x square minus 4y square plus 5xy plus 20. Here minus sign is in front of bracket, so all sign will change. Minus minus became plus, this minus minus became plus, this minus 6xy and minus 20. This cancel out and 3x. Now combine like terms. Combine these like terms. 5xy minus 6xy and this 20 cancelled. So here 2x square minus 3y square minus xy. This is the answer. So right answer is 2x square minus 3y square minus xy. Now see question number 6a. From the sum of first expression and second, subtract this. What we will do? First find the sum of these two expressions. Sum of these two expressions will be add it. When we open this bracket, sign will not change because plus sign is here. So note down as it is. Here see 3x minus y and minus y will be minus 2y. 11 cancel out and the answer is 3x minus 2y. And what we have to do? The sum of this, subtract this. So take sum of this first and subtract this expression 3x minus y minus 11. Here minus sign is here, so all sign will change. Minus 3x plus y and plus 11. So what is the answer? 3x and 3x cancelled. Here minus y plus 11 remaining. So what is the answer? Minus y plus 11. Now come to next question. See in next question what is given. From the sum of this and this, subtract the sum of this and this. So we have to find sum of first and second and then sum of third and fourth. So sum of first and second expression, we got answer is this minus x. Here 4 and 5 means 9. 3x minus 4x is minus x and 2x square as it is. So sum of this is 2x square minus x plus 9. So what we will do here, see sum of this and this, again we got this, and we have to subtract sum of first, sum of second, these two from first. So first sum is this, second sum is this, and subtract it. What is the answer? See 2x square minus 2x square plus 3x minus x and this. These two cancelled. Here 2x plus 4. So what is the answer? 2x plus 4. Here we are starting exercise 12.3. In 12.3, value is given. Value of this variable is given. We have to find the value of this expression. M minus 2 is one expression. By putting the value of m here, we got the value of this expression. So by putting the value of m is equal to 2, 2 minus 2 is equal to 0, and the expression value of this expression is 0. Now take this expression 3m minus 5. When m is equal to 2, we are putting the value of m is 2 here, and 3 into 2 minus 5, the 6 minus 5 is equal to 1. The answer is 1. Now see in this expression 9 minus 5m. Put the value of m here. When m is equal to 2, 5 2s are 10 and 9 minus 10 is equal to minus 1. So answer will be minus 1. Now take this expression. Here 3m square minus 2m minus 7. Here we will put the value of m is equal to 2 in place of m. 2 square, here 2, and do the calculation, you got 1 here. Here also again put the value of m is 2. Here 2 cancelled out, 5 minus 4 is 1. Here in second question, if p is equal to minus 2, find the value of this expression 4p plus 7. In place of p, put minus 2 minus 8 plus 7 is minus 1. In this expression, see, in place of p square, put minus 2 square, here minus 2. This minus 2 into minus 2 will be 4. 4 minus 3 is equal to 4 into minus 3 is minus 12. Here minus 2 into 4 is minus 8, and we got this answer is minus 13. Same as in this expression, see, minus 2p cube minus 3p square plus 4p plus 7. In place of p, put this value minus 2. See, minus 2 cube means minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2. When minus sign multiplied even number of time, we got positive value. And when minus sign multiplied odd number of times, we got negative answer. So minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2 will be minus 8. Minus 8 into minus 2, it will be plus 16. Here see, minus 2 into minus 2 will be 4. 4 into minus 3 is minus 12. Here see, 4 into minus 2 minus 8 and 7 as it is. And when we calculate, we got answer is 3. Here answer is 3. So we have completed 2 questions of this exercise also, 12.3. So do very neat work in your copy. Good day.